Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to delete blank pages in Microsoft Word. If you check the bottom of the screen, you'll see that my document currently has 6 pages. Sometimes an extra blank page appears when working on a document, and it can be frustrating to remove. I'll demonstrate 3 different ways to get rid of it quickly and easily. The first method is straightforward. Navigate to the blank page you want to remove. Click at the very top of the page, then press the Backspace key on your keyboard. You might need to press it 2 or 3 times until the page disappears completely. Once you do this, check the bottom of the screen again, and you'll see that the extra page is gone, leaving you with just 1 page. The second method involves using hidden formatting marks. Go to the Home tab at the top of the screen and look for the paragraph icon, which looks like a backward letter P. Click on it, and you'll see all the hidden formatting symbols in your document. Find the page break section, click on it to highlight it, and then press the delete key. This will remove the blank page immediately. If you want to hide the formatting marks again, you simply click on the paragraph icon once more. The third method uses the Navigation Pane. Go to the View tab and click on Navigation Pane. This will open a panel on the left side of the screen. Click on the Pages tab where you'll see a list of all the pages in your document. Select the blank page, then press the Backspace key to delete it. These 3 methods will help you remove unwanted blank pages in Microsoft Word quickly and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.